Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. Licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Also the city of Henderson, city of North, Las Vegas as well. Sometimes I go out to Boulder City and maybe Pahrump. But today, I want to show you these duplexes. Now, what's nice about these duplexes, okay, you only got two different models to choose from. You have the 1,095 square foot model, and then we have over here the 1,195 square feet model. Now, we just did a full video tour on this one. This one is a 2-bedroom, a den, right? 2-bath with a 1-car garage. Now, on this model right here, that's 1,095 square feet, is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a 1-car garage. Now, keep in mind, you do not get the duplex. But what's funny is that here in this community, they are marketing this thing as a duplex. You don't get the duplex. You only get one side of it. Okay, so that's just something to keep in mind. Now, the name of this community is called Symmetry Meadows. Okay. Now, what's the difference between one side and the other? The orientation is completely flipped around, okay? Now, they do have a total of 95 lots for sale. They just opened here, I think on Saturday or Sunday or something like that. Now, D.R. Horton literally bought out a bunch of dirt here in Cadence. That's the master plan community, okay? Now, we did do some video home tours in the past, right, on the townhomes. So check out my man Danny over there, cool dude. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna start working our way down the road here and tour all these models. So a couple things that I wanna share about this real quick. HOAs are gonna be about $83 a month, and that includes the master plan community. Some of these lot premiums will run you about $3,000. Now, what is the cost for this? It's about $350,000. Now, what I like about D.R. Horton, everything that you see here is pretty much you're going to get, okay? Now, there's a couple things like probably like the blinds, the distribute sounds, right? The feature walls. Now, their homes right now are about a 60-day turnaround. They're just spec building at this point. And also one thing, you get the washer dryer and the refrigerator as well. It does come with a 10-year warranty, okay? You get post-tension slabs, the soft water loop, front yard. You get the front yard landscaping, you get the pavers, and you get a 20 amp breaker, but a 200 amp breaker. Now, one thing I want to share with you guys when it comes to the power, some builders will give you 220, 240. The higher it is, the better it is. But standard is roughly about a 200 amp breaker. But when you start putting in a pool, you need to make sure that you have the right amperage. Now, you can actually upgrade that with some of these builders. Now, let's take a look on this side here. I want to take a look at this air conditioning unit. We do have a Lennox. Now, it doesn't tell us what the SEER rating is on this cheat sheet that I have, but typically the SEER rating is anywhere from 13 to 14, and it's kind of hard for me to take a look at the SEER rating, so go ahead and just look at that real quick. Looks like we have a side access as well, some beautiful pop outs. Here we have our clean out, our sewage line. I'm not too sure why they would put the clean out here instead of just moving a little bit more out here, okay? Because now this ruins your pavers. Pavers are included. You have 3 different elevations. Now with D.R. Horton, right, they're a national company. They also do a Hertz rating. As you can see, their Hertz rating is right about here. The lower it goes on the rating, the better it is. I've seen some builders a little bit lower than that. All right, so let's walk right inside. Let's see what we have here. I'm taking you guys straight to the back. All the feature walls that you see as far as like the color painting, the palettes and all that stuff is not included. Blinds, drapes, okay? Now, we're gonna start back off from the front. First thing I notice is the flooring. You have this linoleum flooring, okay? The problem with this linoleum floor, is that if you scuff it, it will peel, okay? You need to make sure to get an extra sheet of this because you can technically cut this out, and there's a technique to do this to replace one section. But eventually what happens is once you scrape it, you kind of ruin it, right? We're gonna start back on this side. So the front room here is a little bit small. I'm gonna say this is probably 10 by 11. It's just a standard, but the ceilings are 9 foot high, so it makes it to be a little bit bigger. The walls are painted white. We have a little bit of furniture, so it feels like there's more room. But as soon as you get a queen size bed in here, it's going to be a little bit tough. Now, right above, we do have one Traverse LED light here. Now, with the Traverse LED lights, one thing I noticed is that you have that 2 rocker switch. If you're gonna do a ceiling fan, you gotta make sure you get a ceiling fan remote, and also ask the superintendent what is that payload on there, okay? Right here is your coax cable. So now it looks like you're pretty much forced to put your bed here, but I guess the builder looked at it and said, huh, you know what? It kind of makes sense to put it there, so I think that was the best option. Now you have a 2-panel door. I mean, it's not a solid core door, it's not going to be, and if we take a look, these are just pretty much apartment style knobs. That's right, it's not like your top grade. Here, right across, we have our laundry room. We have a double stack washer and dryer. You have some extra storage too as well, which is really nice. So right off to the right, we have our 36-inch vanity, and here is the granite countertops that come with it. You do get your cast iron sink, but then we got the apartment style Moen faucet. Tub shower combo, I do like this. If you're not gonna upgrade and I had to pick a fiberglass tub shower combo, I prefer this right here. This should be an aqua tub. Nope, it's not an aqua tub. But typically for like apartment style living, this is the best product that you can actually get, okay? As you can see, all fixtures are all standard, but what you get for the price, that's how they are selling it, okay? Now, we have orange peel texture. We have the 1-inch bullnose on here, okay? The insulation in these walls, okay? The insulation is going to be 13, R13, and inside the attic is going to be R30. So here's your countertops again. Dishwasher, washer and dryer, Whirlpool appliances are all included in this package deal. Now also, the builders are giving out an incentives to purchase this home. Now, if you guys want to know what those incentives are, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. Also, if you guys want a list of like all the new communities that are coming out, okay, I have a link in the description of this video, and it says new homes for sale. Click on that link, and it takes you to our website that we have created just for you for all the brand new homes that are currently available or about to also come up on the market. We also have the standing inventory list too as well. Click on the link in that description below. Okay, it does come with a 4-inch backsplash as well. Let's see if this thing vents out. Okay, it does vent out. Nice. Okay. Here is our 1-car garage. That is the sales office, so we're not going to go in here. So here's your coat closet. Let's go take a look at the primary. So again, the primary doesn't feel that large. We have a queen size bed. You have a nightstand that's about 2 feet here and 2 feet here. Then we have probably another 2 feet gap. So let me just walk this out for you so that way y'all have a general idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna say about 11 feet wide on here. But I would say this is great, like if you're retiring, you want to keep things to a minimum, right? You don't want to do all the maintenance on your home. I mean, this is just like low maintenance. Now, this is something I would probably buy for my mom, right? or somebody that's going to be, you know, retiring, okay? Here's your walk-in closet. We have the brown carpet. Not feeling the brown, but it is what it is. You got the undermounted sink, okay? Standard faucet. These are just like plastic. You know, they're not your like your stainless steel or your brushed nickel. Here is your drinking water. See if it comes with a RO system. Wow, it comes with an RO system. That is very impressive. I like that. Okay. Now, also make sure, is this RO system, right, connected to your ice maker? If it is connected to your ice maker, because now with the RO system, you actually have a filter. You may have to take off the filter here, because what happens is you can actually strain and damage the ice maker. Something to keep in mind. So here's your main living area. Let's see what it looks like from here. Okay, not bad. Now, I'm going to take you guys out to the back. Uh-oh. Check this out. You got the coax cable here. Let's see if they have one here. Oh. See? Now, you don't have a coax cable here. Everything comes with a price. That means now you're forced to put your TV here, right? And then all your furniture would go here. I kind of like the way that this setup is right now, but then we would have to move that coax cable there, right? Because I like the fact that you have this walk path, because if you take this, you move it on this side, you lose real estate here, right? You have a door here, your furniture is here, now it has to slide on over here, but then it gets cramped. So if they automatically install that, I would request that needs to go there automatically. Let me know in the comments below, like for real. And also another thing is that, you know, I was getting bored shooting these videos, but now, you know, I'm starting to get happy again. Like, I'm starting to enjoy these video home tours, because I was coming to the point where I'm doing like all these like same homes, all these same builders, and it's just not like a wow factor for me. The only really wow factors are like these, you know, bigger modern custom homes, and that's what I really like, right? Because just the way that they spec them, they design them, but I don't know. I'm feeling happy. You know, I'm just being grateful, and sometimes you got to come back to ground, right? And it's just something about today where I'm just like, you know what? I feel the energy. I feel the love. If you guys feel the love, show me by give me a thumbs up. Also, if you guys don't have a real estate agent, I definitely love the opportunity to earn your business. And the cost is free $99. That's right. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and also give me a thumbs up. All right, guys, be blessed. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.